Good morning.
Good morning.
From Walibi Rhone-Alpes in the French Alps. This is our second visit here. We loved it the first time. Our main reason for coming back the second time was, of course, to get more rides on Mystique, Timber. But they also have a new single rail coaster called Mahuka.
Mystique.
And yeah, you're looking forward to that one, aren't you? It's an Intamin single rail, so we are really looking forward to that. And we really did enjoy our day last time we were here, so we'll see what it's like this time. Looking forward to this.
Well, we're now in Walibi Rhone-Alpes. I think it was 2 years ago we last here, and we loved Mystique, which is there in front of us. We're really looking forward to getting a ride on Mahuka, the new Intamin hot racer single rail coaster, the only one of its kind in Europe, only one other in the world, which is in Sydney, Australia. Can't wait to see what that's like. The one in Sydney, from all accounts, can be a bit rough and rattly, but hopefully, with this being the second model of it, improved and sorted out some of them issues, and it'll be a lot more pleasurable. So we're just walking now towards Mahuka.
Where is that? Is that Mahuka?
There it is. See the black single rail? So you're heading towards Mahuka, which apparently means to escape in Hawaiian. And this is sort of a tropical themed area, this. Certainly something different for us to have a go on.
So we're going to have our first ride on Mahuka. It's an Intamin hot racer coaster. I believe it's only one of two in the world. Sorry, I'm squinting. I went under the water spray before and I got sun cream on. Proper sting in my eyes. Yeah, so it's one of only two that are in the world. The other one is in Australia. With Mahuka! Yeah! Loving this new area around Mahuka. I've done it really nice.
Are we in the jungle?
Yeah, it's a tropical area.
Oh.
Mahuka, as I mentioned earlier, is the Hawaiian for to escape. Ooh, can't wait to try this. Mahuka.
How is Mahuka, Leo? How is Mahuka?
It was really good, and it has like a very good launch on it. We need to go on Puma.
That was, I looked at.
Is it good?
Considering it's entire launch, it's quite punchy.
Is it?
Launch on the second launch as well, and it's so different. It's being on a single car. Now there is a little bit of shakiness to it.
Yeah.
But nothing compared with some coasters that I've been on.
Oh, looking forward to trying it out.
And we're going to have a go and see what you make of it. It's our first hot racer coaster. Here it comes. Watch it, Amy.
Whoa!
Didn't reverse. See if they're on this one. There they go, back row. Leo's on the back row, Claire's next to Beth. Said I've brought the GoPro, charged up the batteries, brought the batteries, got here and realised I'd left the memory card. And then realised I'd left the memory card in the laptop back at the apartment. So unless I can get a memory card for the GoPro from somewhere, I can't do any on-ride filming today. I'm a plonker. Well, what was your impressions of your very first ride ever on an Intamin hot racer single rail coaster?
I love that. That was brilliant. I tell you, it was a lot faster than I thought it was going to be. That was brilliant. The second launch was definitely my favourite. I think that had a bit more punch to it.
I thought both tyre launches were punchy.
Really
you know.
good. There is a slight roll, but it doesn't take it away from the ride.
Yeah, and it's a different experience just being on that on your own on the car, isn't it? Not somebody sat next to you.
I loved it. Yeah, it's got quite a lot of zip. It's very re-rideable as well, isn't it?
Yeah, well, we'll have another re-ride in a bit.
I'm thinking about getting a t-shirt, Mahuka.
Yeah, I want one too.
Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's good.
Well, we're going for our second ride on, my second ride on Mahuka. You've already had 2 rides, haven't you?
Look guys, Jurassic World. I mean Jurassic Park.
Ooh, stifling here. Just had our second, my second ride on Mahuka on back row. First ride was next to back row, that one was back row. Brilliant, loved it. Really good
I was
coaster.
going to go back row, but I had to swap with Chloe.
You swapped so I could have a back row ride, didn't you?
Yeah.
Fantastic coaster, a different experience with being the single rail and just no rider at the side of you. I loved it. You loved it too, didn't you, Leo?
Yeah, it's very, what's the word? A bit shaky, but it was really good.
It's not uncomfortably shaky though, is it? You just feel it, but it's not uncomfortable, is it?
Yeah. I loved it though.
Nowhere near as
round
shaky
of applause to
as
Mahuka.
nowhere near as shaky as Voltron was. There it goes. I love this part of the ride here, it's so close to the ground. There's the hand sign you get here as well. Second ride, Claire.
At the very back row on that one, it was brilliant. I forgot to say before about the airtime. You get some decent airtime on there as well.
I counted, I think it was about 5 or 6 pots of ejector airtime.
Yeah.
I actually recorded you as you were upside down and going over here.
Oh, did you?
And me.
And I got you.
Do you know what though? It's a good fit for this park, I think. It really fits in well with this park. That's good.
I love the train design as well.
Yeah, they're comfortable trains, aren't they? Very, very comfortable.
With the lap bar trains.
Yeah, much better than over
And
the shoulder.
and the
innit?
sort of real cheap sort of effect, you know, on the second.
Seems to be now when they're making coasters, they're not doing them with the open shoulders anymore, are they? And it's so much better to have that open feeling, isn't it?
What I will say as well is that they're really banging the trains out, aren't they?
Yeah.
Even though you think, because it's only a single rail, so there's only one rider, you know,
They don't hang
across,
about, do they?
you know, I've got like 2 or 4.
They have to be
they load the
honest.
trains and get them straight
The operations
out.
on Mystique and this have been really good.
Yeah, very good.
They are good operations here. I've been struggling back the heat. This is just what it is.
A lot of people under here trying to cool down.
Ah, beautiful.
I'm heading back to Mahuka now with the memory card in the GoPro. So see if we can get some on-ride footage. Claire's stopped in the water shower things, trying to cool down. She's really struggling with the heat today. She goes. I've got the camera at the moment, it's on the wrist strap. There's more of a queue now than there was earlier. Some of the queue line from Mahuka. The queue line from Mahuka seems to be moving a lot slower than it was earlier. I've got a feeling there's only got one train running at the moment, not two. Not flying them out like they were earlier. Here it comes. Mahuka! Here we go. With the back row ride on Mahuka. But this time with the GoPro. It's quite a good closure. Close to the water there. Excellent ride on the Mahuka. Yeah, I love it. It's a really good coaster. And the first Intamin hot rail coaster, single rail I've ever been on. There she goes. Well, I've just come off the off Mahuka.
Hello.
Look at the state of this lot. Absolutely drenched.
We were like proper struggling with the heat, and so we thought, what better way to cool off? We've been here for ages. Beautiful.
You look like you've been swimming with your clothes on.
I know, it does literally. There's not a single part. Look at Amy.
Amy's soaked as well. I must admit, before filming this, I just put the camera down and I just threatened to let myself for a little bit.
Boogie down.
Here's some of the little snack and food area, snack bars in the section. It's full of water. Just before we leave here, I just want to say congratulations to Claire.
Yes.
Because she found out, she hadn't realised, that when we were at Walibi Rhone-Alpes, she had a 200th roller coaster credit.
On Mahuka.
On Mahuka, yes.
I only realised when I was doing I have an app called Auto Ride Count, and I was putting in my new credit, and I was like, no way, I've hit the 200.
Yes,
So,
on the
happy 200.
only single rail Intamin coaster or hot
That's
racer
a good
in
one
Europe.
to get for your 200.
That's a great credit for your 200th. Well done, Claire.
Thank you.